Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC. You can download it easily from the Google Chrome. After downloading that, you have to install it. So let's open it. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, I'm going to write the BlueStack here. So let's click on the BlueStack. So as you can see, now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. As you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now simply I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, so I have to write the game name here. As you can see, I have written the game name, and after writing the name, you will see some suggestions here. You can choose anyone you want. For example, I want this one, so I have to click on this. After clicking on this, we have to click on the install an app player. So let's click on this, and it will load. So we have to wait for a few seconds again until it loads. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see, the game is here. If you want to check out the game details, like downloads are 5 million playlists and the size of the game is 130 MB. This item is available. This item is not available in your country. That means this game is not available in my country currently. If you want to use it or if you want to download it, or if you are facing the same issue, you just have to download the VPN. And after downloading the VPN, you will get the install button and you have to click on that and the game will be installed. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download and install this game on your PC. You just have to follow my steps and after that you will be able to play the game. So see you guys in the next video.